Next, we're going to move on to data paging with a common table expression. Basically, what data paging is when you've got a large result set, and what you want to do is display like the top 20 or top 50 results. So if you go to any search engine and do a search on some topic, you'll see that you'll get like the top 20 results out of 2 million or 200,000 or a few hundred. What data paging allows you to do is to page through and see those results. Now, I've seen this done on different website projects really poorly a lot of times, where somebody will just say select star from a table where the result set matches your search criteria, and the query ends up iterating over like a few thousand or 100,000 rows and only displaying the ones that are needed in the web page, like getting the top 20 and then getting like 21 through 40 and 41 through 60. But each time it's doing a whole lot of work there, and so many times I've seen where this doesn't scale, where it works great in a dev environment where there's only a few hundred rows, but then as soon as it gets into reality, things really bog down. And you can really simplify this with CTEs. There's a great way to kind of using calculations there, figure out what page you are based off of page sizing and just display the data that you need for that given page without as much work. In SQL Server 2012, the offset and fetch keywords were introduced, which is a little bit easier to use than a CTE for data paging and a little bit more efficient, but it doesn't always work in all environments. So we're going to take a look at both ways of doing this to make sure that you understand the pros and cons around both of them. So here's an example of data paging. This is selecting from tables and indexes that are in the database, and it starts out where page 1 has rows 1 through 10. Page 2 has rows 11 through 20. Page 3 has rows 21 through 30. And you can do this just by selecting top 10, top 20, top 30, but you'll find out that the further you go into the pages, the slower that it gets.